Hello Kryptonians, welcome to the very first step in your ethical hacking and Linux journey. Today I will walk you through how to install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation 17 Pro and yet with a working license key for free. This setup is beginner friendly, super clean and you don't need any prior experience. Just follow along like you are sitting next to me. Let's roll!
Hello?
Welcome to Krypton Syndicate. Learn, code, defend.
Oh, and before we dive in, here's something exciting. We are officially starting a Linux Fundamental series soon. Totally free and fully detailed. Whether you are a complete beginner or just curious about how Linux really works, this series is built for you. We will go deep, not just commands but understanding everything from the ground up. So if you are serious about ethical hacking, cybersecurity or just being a power user, stay tuned and join us from day one. Alright, now let's talk about what you need. First of all, you need your VMware Workstation 17 Pro. I will show how to get the installation file and free license key legally. Then download the latest Kali Linux ISO file from the official Kali website. So we will start from the downloading the VMware Workstation 17 Pro. So click this link. I will provide this link in our description box. Scroll down to the VMware Workstation Pro download. You need to create a free account or sign in if you already have one. This is a broadcom.com. They are now managing the VMware's downloads. So simply I will log in my account. I am entering my credentials. I will provide the download link directly in the description box. Simply click the link from the description box. Okay. Click the VMware Workstation Pro for Windows, download the Windows installer. We will download the latest version of the VMware Workstation. Here will be the one checkbox. Click the checkbox and click the download button. It is about 401 MB. And also we have to download the Kali Linux ISO file from the official website. Simply type here Kali Linux and click here download get Kali. We will download the installer. We will proceed to installer images and download the installer about 4.1 GB. Once the installer is downloaded, just run it. Accept. Next. I will prefer to change the directory. I don't have much space in the C drive. If you have also changed the directory, you will be from this tab. Here you have to give the path which you have previously entered in the installation process. Simply click OK. It will be done. My VMware is installed correctly. I will put in my stack. Oh, and don't forget to enter the license key when prompted. It will unlock the full version of VMware Pro for free. For license key, simply follow me on Instagram and DM me this tag. I will drop the license key for free. Now our VMware Workstation is properly installed. We will proceed to install the Kali Linux ISO file in the VMware Workstation Pro. Open the VMware Workstation Pro. Now comes the good part. Let's get Kali Linux installed on the VMware. Click on the create new virtual machine. Keep it as it is. Click next. Select installer disk image file and pick up the Kali Linux ISO file you have downloaded. Open it. Click next. Select Linux. Version should be other Linux 6.x kernel 64-bit. Click next. Give a virtual machine name as you prefer. I will give virtual machine name as our channel name, Krypton Syndicate. Okay, we have to allocate the RAM and ROM. I have more than 200 GB free, so I will provide 200 GB for my workstation. Assigning disk space 20 to 30 GB is fine, and select the store virtual disk as a single file. Click next. Customize hardware and allocate the RAM. I have 16 GB RAM, so I will provide 12.2 GB. I can provide maximum RAM of 12.9 GB, so I'm going to provide 12.2 GB, and else everything will be remain as it is. Click close. Click finish. Boom, your VM is ready. Now we will power on the virtual machine. Click OK. When the VM boots up, select graphical install. It's look better and it's easier to follow. Okay, now choose your language. English. Location, I'm from India. Keyboard, American English. Okay, we have to enter the host name for our system. You can just name it Kali, but I prefer to change it for security purpose. I will keep our channel's name Krypton Syndicate. Skip this domain name. We have to give a full name for your new user. We will give the username Krypton. Click continue. Username for your account also Krypton. Enter your password. Hit continue. Use the default option guided use entire disk. Click continue. Continue. All files in one partition recommended for new users. Continue. Continue. Click select yes and then continue. If you have low-end PC, you can stick with XFCE. It's a Kali's default desktop environment, but I will prefer Genome. Select GDM3. Okay, now we have to install the group bootloader. So select yes and click continue. Select dev/sda. Click continue. Okay, the installation is finished. Now continue to reboot. The system will be reboot. And that's it. You now have Kali Linux running on VMware Workstation Pro with a free license key, full ready for your ethical hacking journey. Don't forget, our Linux Fundamental series is about to start. It's free, it's deep, and it's built to make you unstoppable. If this video helped you, drop a comment, subscribe, and share this with a friend who wants to learn ethical hacking the right way. We are not just learning the tools, we are building a mindset. See you in the next one. Learn, code, defend.